Welcome to the Skilled MBA Social Enterprises Case Study Series. Today, we delve into Dialogue in the Dark, DID, China, a pioneering initiative that reshapes how we understand leadership, inclusion, and empathy. Participants step into a world of total darkness, guided by visually impaired facilitators. This immersive experience strips away visual cues, compelling individuals to listen, collaborate, and lead in new ways. It challenges assumptions, builds emotional intelligence, and enhances the capacity to manage and support diverse teams. DID China is more than an experience, it's a leadership development tool that redefines inclusive management for the modern workplace. Dialogue in the Dark China offers a transformative experience where participants navigate everyday scenarios in total darkness, guided by visually impaired individuals. This unique approach fosters empathy and understanding, challenging traditional perceptions of disability. By redefining diversity management, Dialogue in the Dark promotes inclusive leadership, highlighting the potential of those often overlooked in society. Dialogue in the Dark offers a transformative experience where visually impaired guides lead sighted visitors through daily scenarios in complete darkness, reversing traditional roles. Originating in Germany in 1988, it has expanded to over 41 countries, impacting over 10 million people. It provides employment for the visually impaired, reshaping societal views on disability and potential. Sheen CI founded Dialogue in the Dark China, redefining roles by viewing visually impaired individuals as leaders and experts. Her innovative approach challenges societal norms, empowering those often marginalized to become trainers and guides, thus transforming traditional power dynamics. Empowerment through employment involves recruiting visually impaired individuals with strong communication and leadership potential, irrespective of their work history. Intensive training enhances spatial awareness, public speaking, and customer service skills. Promoting from within allows these individuals to advance as trainers and leaders, fostering dignity through meaningful work and professional growth rather than charity. CI's leadership model emphasizes selecting individuals with potential, fostering confidence through challenges, and building trust via transparent communication. Investing in personalized training and growth, the model nurtures a culture of mutual respect and shared purpose, ensuring each team member feels valued and empowered to contribute meaningfully. The COVID-19 pandemic in 2019 నుంచి 2020 వరకు tested resilience, causing financial and operational challenges. In 2021, a false fire code allegation further strained the organization, demanding strong leadership. Reflecting on a decade of growth, CI recognized the critical role of adaptability, transparent communication, and mission-driven persistence in overcoming these crises and evolving as a social enterprise leader. At DID China, visually impaired guides lead the way, reversing traditional power dynamics. Visitors, often reliant on sight, experience vulnerability, fostering a profound shift in perspective. This role reversal challenges assumptions about ability and leadership, highlighting the expertise and confidence of those traditionally seen as disabled. Visitors initially feel disoriented and anxious in complete darkness, losing visual cues. Trust builds as they rely on visually impaired guides, whose expertise shines through confident navigation. This sensory awakening enhances awareness of sounds, textures, and spatial relationships, leading to lasting insights on ability, disability, and human potential. DID China's approach emphasizes recognizing unique abilities over limitations, fostering environments where diverse perspectives are valued. It advocates for systems that enable varied talents to thrive and the formation of interdependent teams that leverage complementary strengths. This inclusive leadership model is essential for effective diversity management in any organization. Leadership in diverse environments requires humility, acknowledging our limitations, and learning from varied perspectives. Create systems that enable diverse talents to thrive, valuing interdependence over self-sufficiency. Embrace discomfort as a catalyst for growth, stepping beyond familiar territories to foster new understanding and innovation. Dialogue in the Dark China has significantly increased employment rates for visually impaired guides, surpassing national averages. Over 500,000 visitors have experienced Dialogue in the Dark, fostering widespread awareness and attitude shifts. Impressively, 85% of visitors report a positive change in perception of visually impaired capabilities. Celebrating a decade, Dialogue in the Dark remains a financially sustainable social enterprise committed to its mission. CI's leadership journey at DID China highlights a shift from directive to collaborative facilitation, emphasizing the importance of seeing beyond conventional limitations. She learned to balance business sustainability with a social mission, developing resilience through navigating crises. Her reflections underscore the need for leaders to illuminate potential in themselves and others. Diversity fuels resilience and innovation by leveraging varied abilities and perspectives. Empathetic leadership, rooted in understanding others' experiences, is key to inclusive talent development. Social enterprises can harmonize financial sustainability with social impact through innovative models. Immersive experiences challenge assumptions, fostering deeper learning. Embracing challenges enhances resilience and capabilities for both individuals and organizations.
Explore how Skilled MBA empowers social enterprises and leaders through case studies. Discover strategies for inclusive leadership and sustainable impact. Thank you for joining us at Skilled MBA. Mobile, +91 87553 00795. Email, support@skillemba.com. Website, https://skillemba.com.